Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good day. I am from Excel Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak English, ma'am.
Are you a
I-
100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
I don't have, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Okay, ma'am. I agree.
Do you have any health issues or are you healthy?
I'm healthy, ma'am. I don't have any issue.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Lynn Canicula from Tarlac. I'm
Okay.
married. I don't have kids. And I'm working before in Kuwait, 2 years more than
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you, Lynn. When is your birthday?
January 26, 1984, ma'am.
Okay, what about your height and your weight?
My height, ma'am, is 5'1", and my weight is 45 kilos.
45 or 54?
54, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
High school, ma'am.
Is your husband allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem with him.
No problem with him, ma'am.
Okay, what about your how many siblings do you have? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother, ma'am, and I have two sisters.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
I have one brother and I have two sisters.
Okay, what is your rank in your family?
I'm my eldest, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
They working in construction, ma'am, and then
Okay.
the two is housekeeping.
Okay, how old are your parents?
My mother, ma'am, is 63 years old. My father is died.
Deceased. Okay. So you mentioned that
Yes.
you got working experience way back in Kuwait for 2 years and you finished your contract. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Way back 2022 to 2024, it was stated in your biodata here that you work in Kuwait. Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment while you were working in Kuwait?
Mm, I'm sorry, ma'am.
What is your responsibilities or what are your duties to your previous employer in Kuwait? What is your job there?
I'm cleaning house, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
cleaning house, take care of baby,
okay. Did,
washing clothes,
okay.
ironing.
And then, did you cook there?
That's it. No, ma'am. We have
Okay.
a cooker there.
Okay. So how old is the children that you take care or rather than the child?
7 years old, ma'am.
One only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to this employer?
Mm. Because ma'am have some problem and quit before. That's why.
Oh, okay. So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, right? It is not new for you because you have already experience in Kuwait. Yeah?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to prepare yourself because Kuwait and Malaysia is quite different, okay? So
Okay,
you might
ma'am.
get some culture shock once you come to work here, but you need to ready yourself. Are you ready?
I'm ready, ma'am.
Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
No, little, ma'am.
But are you
But
willing to
I,
learn?
yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I guess, ma'am, it's a middle because it's hard for me, I think.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a yes or no. It's no problem.
No, ma'am.
It's okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have a 2 years contract. In Kuwait, you also have 2 years contract, right?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
were going to sign a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and definitely it's not 1 year. You will sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer. And at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day also you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. But if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Okay, on your rest day, as I have told you, you are not allowed to go out on your rest day, but if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract, we have 1,800 ringgit for every month, but if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit. On your usage of handphone also, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during night time after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next day before you start your work. But if we found out that you cannot cope up your job on the next morning, you feel groggy, you don't have the energy to work due to misuse of mobile handphone, then very sorry to say we will inform your employer that you are allowed to use your phone during nighttime for 2 to 3 hours only. Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have any issues, any problems? No.
I don't have any issues, ma'am.
Okay, I just wanted to make it clarify to you in our initial interview that you agree about all these things. We don't want later that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you will going to demand us and you will going to complain us about all these things, but no such a thing because you already agree it in our initial interview and we don't force you also, okay? You understand, right? We don't force people to
Yes.
come here. So as much as possible, if you are agreed that it's okay, then you can come here. Yeah? If you disagree, it's okay. Also, we don't force people to come. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you
Okay,
okay?
ma'am.
So how do you fight your homesickness?
Sorry, ma'am.
How do you handle your homesickness?
I stay it in my room, ma'am. Only, just,
So you didn't feel homesick at all?
ma'am.
You are not homesick.
No, I didn't feel homesick, ma'am, because I don't have baby. I don't
Oh,
have any kids.
what about your husband? If you miss your husband?
It's okay for me. I'm working.
Okay.
I don't care
So
about him.
So, Lynn, okay, so just follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you're the one who will working for them for 2 years, okay? Any
Yes,
problem,
ma'am.
any concerns, you inform your employer. You directly inform them because you're the one who will get along for them for 2 years. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to have a better future for your own self also, right? So
Okay, ma'am.
always be humble. Don't bring the law of the Philippines in the law of other countries, okay? Because
Okay,
every
ma'am.
country's got their own law, they got their own rules and regulations. Okay? We need to respect it and also our culture is quite different from other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because
Ma'am.
But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.
Thank you also, ma'am.